Hi guys, I'm Rick Crawley with the 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹𝗪𝗏 and welcome back to this UF Pro series of carbine fundamentals. In this episode, we will be covering sight picture, sight alignment, mechanical offset, and information processing. All right, sight picture. There's two types of sight pictures, a gross sight picture and a refined sight picture. The responsibilities of your gross sight picture is to positively identify and articulate the why you're creating a refined sight picture to then create sight alignment. Your refined sight picture is going to be accounting for mechanical offset. So where do I begin my gross sight picture? My gross sight picture is established sooner rather than faster. So after I have positively identified that I intend to shoot the target, I then articulate the why I'm going to now refine a sight picture sooner rather than faster as I then create sight alignment 2. The responsibilities of your refined sight picture is to account for height over bore differentials. This is called your mechanical offset. What mechanical offset is accounting for is height of optic to height of bore. So within the refined sight picture, you may not even be aiming at your intended point of impact in order to achieve 100% accountability. All right, for this target, we have 6 matchstick drills. Now, utilizing this 1-inch grid, we want to quantify the unit of measure of distance that we have within height over bore, or accounting for our mechanical offset. So for the first stick and the first stick only, I want to shoot the first stick not accounting for mechanical offset and just placing my point of aim dead center of my intended point of impact. What this is going to produce is a shot low, approximately for this weapon system about 2.5 inches low. Now, as I step back to 3, 5, and 7 yards, I'm going to be able to now quantify the unit of measure of distance that I sit at for my mechanical offset. Once I've shot a 3-round group, I'm then going to take a base unit of measure and a base unit of measure and now connect the two. Utilizing this 1-inch grid, I'm going to count 1 inch, 2 inch, half inch, and now project this scene up here to account for now my mechanical offset. So half inch, 1 inch, 2 inch, and I'll be sitting somewhere here. So now I want to refine my sight picture and create sight alignment to account for mechanical offset for 100% accountability now seen in my intended point of impact. All right, now executing that lower stick of 1. 3 rounds. After you've established a good solid stance, sight picture, sight alignment, you're now going to come up with a good proper presentation and grip without accounting for mechanical offset. Within the most interrupted trigger press, you're going to fire 3 rounds, nice and slow. All right, after you fired those 3 rounds, you'll then come down to your target. And now you're going to utilize that 3-round group, drawing a line straight out from your point of aim being the center of that white of the matchstick. Draw a line straight out. Connect down the 2, and now I'm going to count 1, 2, and a half. So now I'm going to translate this data above. 1, 2. And then I'm going to confirm that data with another 3 rounds. Nice and slow. Now to your new refined point of aim. 3 rounds. Now, once you've confirmed that that data is correct, you're now going to translate it to the other 2 sticks. Now, to complete this task focus target, again, you shot this one 3 times. You're now going to shoot this stick 3 times each, and the 3rd stick 3 times each. So as you shoot this stick, you're going to fire 2 rounds with this, your refined point of aim, to have accountable hits. 2 rounds, 3 times each. The next one, you're going to come up, account for your refined point of aim, accounting for mechanical offset, and fire 3 rounds, 3 times each. As far as the top sticks go, as you see, there is no reference, so you need to understand what that unit of measure for your mechanical offset looks like and be able to adjust and hold accordingly. Return the dot to your refined sight picture for accountability. So information processing within the gross sight picture. Again, I want to be able to articulate the why as well as positively identify. Within the refined sight picture, I superimpose my reticle on top of my target focus refined sight picture. From there, upon recoil, I then return the superimposed reticle to my refined sight picture, staying on home. The eye can focus on one thing at a time. By staying target focused and returning the superimposed dot back to home, where my refined sight picture is what's going to give you the most accurate results, especially under the cycle rate of this weapon system. All right, guys, this concludes episode 3 of this UF Pro series. Again, this should not be considered an all-inclusive summary of my training curriculum.